What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you joining me for another video today. My name is Richard Allen. I make videos about stocks here on this channel, and I'm trying to grow my portfolio by 30% per month for the next year. And I want to bring you along on that journey. I really appreciate all the dialogue down in the comments below. So if you have suggestions of companies you want me to talk about, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Today, I want to talk about vaccine trades, okay? So Pfizer just announced that their efficacy rate for their vaccine is 90%. Anything over like 75%, I was going to be excited about. So 90% efficacy rate, that means that it's effective in 90% of their patients. This is really exciting news, like super exciting news. And that's why the market is freaking out today. That's why the market is going crazy. So some of the stocks that I had on my list, on my Evernote here, okay, I'm gonna read them off to you. Oh my God, okay. So we had Six Flags, Fun, Save, which is Spirit Airlines. I had LUV, which is Southwest Airlines, JetBlue. I had two casino companies. I had Wynn and LVS, okay? And then I had pretty much all the cruise lines and Booking.com. Also, OSW is a company that offers services on cruise lines. So let's take a peek at where these companies are. I didn't quite sleep in this morning, but I slept in enough that I missed pre-market trading after Pfizer announced what they announced. I'm trying not to hate myself too much for missing these trades. But if you look at some of the airline trades, for instance, okay, I'm going to pull up some charts here on the screen. Let's look at Southwest Airlines, up 11.6% today. Okay, let's peek at Delta Airlines, 13.9% today. American Airlines, 16.8%. Oh man, like so many of these companies that I talked about. Carnival Cruise Line, 35%. 35%. They were up at 45% today at some point. Royal Caribbean Group, 25%. Norwegian Cruise Line, 25%. Spirit Airlines, Save, 20%. Crazy, right? A lot of these stocks that are really dependent on people traveling or eating at restaurants, like Dave & Buster's, for instance, today is up 45%, somewhere like there. I haven't looked at them in a while. But Dave & Buster's is up huge. The stock ticker for Dave & Buster's is PLAY, really cool ticker symbol. That's up 40, let's pull it up. That's up 41% today, man. Six Flags, 17%. Fun is, that's another fair company like Six Flags. It's called Cedar Fair. Cool ticker symbol there as well. They're up 20% today. So Disney I think is up as well. Just imagine like people going back to the Disney World and stuff. Yeah, Disney's up 11%. So yeah, I don't think we completely missed out on these trades. And I know this video may seem late, but I did have a long list of stocks that I was really excited about. But these are trades that you need to execute like within seconds, within minutes of hearing the news. And it happened, unfortunately, super early in the morning. Pfizer released this news. Now, we're still, Fauci has come out and said, a couple other people have come out and spoke, that we're still months away from a vaccine actually being delivered. That it's still going to be a tough time for this virus and people getting sick over the next couple months. It's still going to be, like, we have record numbers right now, okay? So, but people are getting excited for these companies to return to where they were. So I wanted to make a quick video about this, that there's a good chance that you will see even more of a run-up in these companies over the next couple days. This week could be absolutely massive for the stock market. Absolutely massive. I mean, the futures this morning, we're talking like 6%. The Dow and the S&P were up 6% this morning. One of you commented and you're like, oh my God, futures are up. We're going. This is awesome, right? And the S&P is now still up 2.7%. The Dow is still up 4%. I mean, these are like historic numbers, right? We had the best week in the S&P and the Dow than we've had, I think, at all this year, right? So last week was an historic week in the stock market. And a lot of us were scared. A lot of us were timid about investing last week. A lot of us because of the vaccine and not hearing about that yet, and the virus, and just historic numbers there too, right? A lot of people were scared to trade last week, and I understand. It makes sense. I didn't make a lot of trades last week. I only made a couple trades last week. And for those of you that watch the channel, you know that I only made a couple trades last week. But there is a lot of opportunity out there still, okay? If you're the type of person to short sell stuff, I mean, if you got ahead of this and you shorted companies like Zoom, for instance, is way down. Companies that I don't believe really deserve to be down a ton are down, like Square, for instance, is a disruptive company. You can get this stock on sale right now for like 4% off, okay? It's down 3.8%. So this is an opportunity to potentially get a great deal on some of the stocks that you've wanted to load up on. Some of the tech stocks will see a pullback right now because of the vaccine news. They just will. And the recovery stocks that we've talked about on this channel a little bit that I mentioned earlier, those will see the run up over this next week. But Shopify, for instance, is down. PayPal is down. I'm going to pull some of these up. DocuSign is down 12% today. Look at that. Yeah, Zoom is down 13%. Teladoc, crazy disruptive company that ARK Invest keeps buying more. They're probably going to buy a ton today because it's down 8%. Teladoc is down. That's massive. Roku is down 5.8%. Etsy, Etsy's had a crazy run this year, and they're down 9%. Amazon, again, we talked about Amazon last week, where every time it dips, it tends to pop back up, right? So Amazon's down 3% today. It's not under $3,000 a share yet, but it's down. Pinterest, if you like Pinterest long term, they had huge numbers. We talked about Pinterest last week as well. I made $1,100 in one day trading Pinterest options. I had hoped that they would have stellar earnings like Snapchat, and I thought, okay, let's think about what could happen with another company, what's similar to Snapchat. Pins. Pinterest earnings were coming up. I put in a call option, and boom, made $1,100 in one day just trading that. So there are opportunities out here. Pinterest, if you believe in them long term, they're down today. That could be a good entry point for you to get in on a lot of these stocks. So take advantage of these buying opportunities. The whole market isn't up, okay? There are things that are pulling back because of the vaccine news. And those are days that I like to take advantage of. I like to take advantage of these days as buying opportunities, and that helps me make a little more money. When Tesla dropped below $400, I did a quick swing trade on Tesla and made a decent profit on that. That was one of my trades last week as well. So that's really all I have today. Thank you so much for over 700 subscribers. A lot of you are commenting down below saying, nice job growing so fast. And I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know that's an audacious goal, but I'm hoping to get there by the end of the week. And I know you guys can pull through for me. If you like my videos at all, if you appreciate the research I do on some of these companies, hit that subscribe button down below. I make videos on this channel every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day. So hit that notification bell if you want to get notified when I have a new video pop up. And some of the videos I've made recently, some of the stocks have popped a lot. Some of the stocks have jumped a lot. So we talk about some cool stocks on this channel. And again, I hope to grow my portfolio by 30% per month for the next year. And I want to bring you along on that journey. I don't know if it'll work out yet, but I'm hoping it will. So far it is. I want to have a dialogue with you guys because you guys are helping me become a better trader and investor and do better research. With all the comments and criticism, constructive criticism you guys give. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Again, as always, if you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.